Hi there, Kendra Tolbert here. I'm a registered dietitian and yoga teacher, and I specialize in women's health and fertility. And today we are wrapping up. I'm really excited, can you tell? We are wrapping up our nutrition sub-series within our preconception preparation series. I'm so excited. We actually finished this. So we are on our 5th video within the sub-series. I believe it's the 5th. Now that I'm actually saying it, have I been giving y'all the wrong number? Point is, we're on the final video. And in this one, we are talking about the first principle, which is to prioritize pleasure. You don't hear that nearly enough in the world of nutrition, but I'm here to tell you pleasure is important. We actually have research that shows that when someone enjoys a meal, or when a food or meal is more pleasurable, that we actually absorb more nutrients from it. I love that. Our bodies are magnificent. We have taste buds for a reason, and pleasure is an amazing motivator to keep us on track towards our goals. If everything that you're eating because you have to, I promise you, you won't be eating that way for very long. So please find ways to enjoy the foods that you are eating. Something that I often hear, and I've even heard providers say this, is that your food has to be bland. Ooh, no. Please don't do that to yourself. Or this idea that if you add sauces to your foods that you have somehow canceled out the benefits. I don't know where that comes from. If you've heard that, please throw that away. There are so many benefits to making your foods flavorful. We talked about one of them. Pleasure actually seems to increase nutrient absorption. Another reason is that a lot of the things that we will add to our foods provide more nutrients, right? So if you and I add salad dressing to our salad and we didn't get a fat-free one, we actually got one that contains fat, we're actually able to absorb more vitamin A, D, E, and K from those foods because fat increases the bioavailability of those fat-soluble vitamins. So there you go. You actually get more nutrients out of including something that makes the food more pleasurable. Also, a lot of times herbs, let me back up. A lot of times sauces contain herbs and spices. Well, herbs and spices are incredibly potent sources of anti-inflammatory compounds and antioxidant compounds. So when you add herbs and spices, which made the food more pleasurable, you're actually increasing the amount of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in that meal. That's beneficial for your health and your fertility. So please, prioritize pleasure. Find ways to choose foods that actually taste good to you. Make foods more enjoyable by adding herbs and spices and sauces and by preparing them in ways that you truly enjoy. Last thing, this feels important because often I see people have this idea that if they eat a vegetable, that it needs to be raw or it needs to be steamed in order for it to be beneficial. Not true. You can absolutely cook those things and make them more enjoyable. I can't tell you how many foods I thought I didn't like until I cooked them in a new way. So cauliflower raw, no thank you. Cauliflower roasted, sign me up. So delicious. Broccoli, same thing. Roasted, delicious. Now, I also do love broccoli steamed with a sauce on it. Like that too. But raw, I don't want either of those raw. Maybe some of the foods that you think you don't like that are super beneficial for your health and your fertility, you actually would like if you gave yourself permission to prepare them in a way that would make them enjoyable. You have not canceled out the benefits by making your food enjoyable. You and I have taste buds for a reason. Honor them. Prioritize your pleasure. All right, enjoy the rest of your day. Be well, and bye for now.